Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Australia to Cambodia through Remitly. So let's quickly dive into it. So one of the quickest and the simple step-by-step guide is to open the Remitly website, sign in or create a Remitly account with your details. Then on step 3 you have to select Australia as the sending country, which is your sending source, and Cambodia as the receiving country. So on step 4 you have to enter the amount of money you want to send. Then step 5, choose a delivery method, which is a delivery pattern, usually cash pickup or bank deposit in Cambodia. Then fill your recipient full name, the recipient bank account details or the pickup details depending on the method you choose. Then step 7, you have to select your payment method as well, which you can select your debit card, credit card or bank transfer as your payment method, and make sure you review and double check all details to avoid loss of fund. So review the transfer details and confirm the transaction, and that's how you can easily transfer money. And you can also track your transfer in the Remitly app until your recipient receive the money, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more video guide, and that's it.